The National World War I Museum and Memorial was dedicated in 1926. We annually have hundreds of thousands of visitors here for the museum and for the memorial. Energy efficiency is very important to the museum from a cost containment perspective, but also a control perspective. Anytime that you can show the benefit like this one, where there's a rebate involved, it certainly helps your case as you are working to get approval to move forward with a project.
Sustainability and green practices has always been part of what the Kansas City Zoo does. Reducing our energy usage and cost is helpful to the zoo in multiple ways. We want to be a leader in the community and walk the walk, but also any type of savings that the zoo can come by is great as a nonprofit, because then we can invest that money in other things. With this energy savings program, we came up with a conservation strategic plan of what is the next priority project, and analyzing that data and where are we going to get the most impact for our investment. I got in touch with our customer representative from Evergy, and we started talking about the program and the benefits to the Kansas City Zoo. So that started the relationship right there, and we really started utilizing the program right away. It's helped us upgrade lighting. It's helped us with...
Systems surround us, big and small, some so ingrained that we never really think about them. We just expect them to work. Yet it all depends on transmission lines, transformers, and turbines doing what they're supposed to do 24/7. At TRC, we know there's a system of people and processes quietly working behind the scenes to make the big things seem simple for everyone else. And it all starts with your Jumpstart team, a dedicated multidisciplinary staff who've led transitions and startups in the past. They provide the launching point for 30, 60, or 90-day project plans. So when it's time to flip the switch, you can be confident that your program is cost-effective, customer-ready, and staffed by a deep bench of subject matter experts. So yes, systems can be complex, but your transition to a better energy partner doesn't have to be. Switch to TRC and get a jump start on success.
By pursuing energy efficiency, industrial businesses can save energy and money with cash incentives available for qualifying efficient equipment upgrades. According to data from the U.S. Department of Energy, motors, compressed air, and HVAC equipment make up more than 3/4 of a typical industrial building's energy use. Adding variable frequency drive to process motors allows more control over motor speed, resulting in significant energy savings. A 20% reduction in motor speed can reduce energy use by 50%. Additional improvements like HVAC controls and variable frequency drives can take your savings even further. Another easy energy-efficient enhancement can be achieved by upgrading your facility's lighting to LEDs. LED lights can reduce electricity costs by between 40% and 60% and last twice as long as comparable fluorescent or HID lamps. Thousands of companies are saving already with the Ameren Missouri Biz Savers program. Best of all, incentives are available for virtually every cost-effective upgrade that reduces your electricity use. But these incentives won't be around forever, so contact the Ameren Missouri Biz Savers program.
The most efficient electric motors. The bottom line at the end of the month is huge.
We saw from day one a large difference in energy usage by installing these different mechanisms, and the rebate program is real, it does work, and this is definitely a long-term relationship that we want to be a part of, and it really made me happy when I felt like the same was being given to us.
So my advice for any dairy farm, hog farm, poultry farm in Ohio.
To make sure we spend that money wisely. We partnered with Ameren Missouri Biz Savers program and Trade Allies to realize, number one, to get our equipment replaced and become more reliable, and number two, realize the energy savings with more modern equipment.
There are things that make sense to do. Converting to LED lights just makes sense. You're saving on wattage, you're saving on heat load, and then you also get reimbursed to do that.
We realized a major savings on energy consumption, and we got a rebate check from Ameren in excess of $96,000.
Your business can save big. Up to 25% in bonus incentives are now available. Now through the end of the year, NIPSCO is offering eligible business customers a bonus incentive on their energy efficiency projects. Energy efficiency upgrades such as lighting, refrigeration, HVAC systems, compressed air, and more can help keep your energy use low and allow you to invest savings back into your business. Begin saving by visiting nipsco.com/biz today. Terms and conditions apply. Funds are only available for projects submitted after April 1st, 2023.
Illuminate California provides incentives to replace existing lighting with higher efficiency products in qualified commercial and industrial buildings across California. Repeat the manufacturer model number here. Under Measure Description, select the drop-down option that matches the installed product type, including lumens and lumens per watt, which you can confirm on the Design Lights Consortium list. Email your complete submittal package to illuminateca@trccompanies.com. Remember, a complete package must include this.
Welcome to the Delmarva Power Small Business Online Application Portal. Click Next to continue. Now we can see our project summary with company name, application status, application ID, site name, total incentive. Click Select Files. Select all required files and click Open. Assign document type for each uploaded file. Click Add Files. Click Next to continue.